What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B back with another video. Hope everybody having an awesome day. But y'all, we got another firetail video for you today on Hook. You know, Ciro3d is a big sponsor of the channel. That's why I got the Passion of floorboards, the highway pegs. I got all that, but I didn't have the grips on. But today, y'all, we are going to replace the grips, and I'm going to show you what they look like, and we're going to get into the video right after this.
Yeah, from the heart of Texas where the wide roads run, Kelly B gliding, rides into the sun on a road glide Kong, 140 strong, tearing up the blacktop, humming like a song. He's got that grace, he's got that style, burning rubber, racking miles, with the thunder in his engine and a spark in his eye. He's a legend on wheels, no need to try. Kelly B gliding, wind in his face, chasing the horizon, leaving no trace. Ain't got too many, a brother or a guide, making friends wherever he rides, with bogey biker rolling side by side through the three twisted sisters. What a ride!
Like I said, y'all, Ciro3d is a big sponsor of the channel, and I want to give big shout outs to them. Ciro3d/GoldStrike, because this product is by GoldStrike. But y'all, today we're gonna remove the bar weights right here off the tips right here. I like the bar tips, y'all, but I wanted to go with the grips. I think it brings the bike out a little bit more. These are the grips. These are the screws that go with it. These are the end caps, and these are by GoldStrike. And on the inside, you have a top and a bottom. You see that right there? You have a top and a bottom, and you have 3M tape in here. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. And we're gonna try to put the logo on the top right here that says 3D GoldStrike right here. And I just like it because it matches up, the black matches up and everything with the gloss black on everything right here, the floorboards, the highway pegs as well. And I was just missing this part right here. I've been having them. I didn't know if I wanted to put them on or not. I didn't know if they was gonna block the heat, because I have heated grips on here, but I heard that they won't block the heat at all, so and they get quite hot. So yeah, so we're gonna get these on. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna move the bar weights here. I like these bar weights. I got these off of Amazon. You know, it's a little carbon fiber. Let me show you these right here. That's the part right there. And this has gold wing on it. But I just, you know, I got carbon fiber parts on the bike, but I just think the grips would look a lot better. And we're gonna get these on. First thing you wanna do is wipe this down, all the rubber, because you don't pull the grips off. You wanna wipe the rubber off with alcohol so you can get all the oil off, so that these will stick right here. And then you wanna do a dry fit as well. You wanna test it first and make sure everything is where you want it, because like I said, these had 3M adhesive tape in the inside. So yeah, so let's get that done. And what you want to do, you want to take your alcohol and you want to wipe, get your nice microfiber towel, and you just want to wipe this up, man. You want to get all the dirt and grime and oil you see is coming off on the towel. So you definitely want to get that off, or your 3M is not going to stick. I was curious about the 3M, and one reason I was curious about the 3M is because I know these are heated grips and they get hot, and I was wondering if it was going to actually, you know, the adhesive stop sticking. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that's gonna make it stick better, but yep. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the bottom part. I'm gonna stick this end up this way first so you can get it on the right, and you just kind of find where you want it, where you want the letters and stuff right there, where it said GoldStrike right there. And I think that looked good right there. So, and right here up under here, you got two screws that's gonna go right there and gonna go into here. So yeah, so you will have to remove that. But the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure this is dry fitted. Get this where you want it, and before you stick everything down. So let's see. I guess we want it about right there, and we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it on about right there. So first, you're gonna pull out the 3M tape here, adhesive. And you want to make sure you put this up toward this way first. Push it toward this way, up toward the front up here. Go that way, put the pressure toward the controls, and then push it on there, and then mash it and hold it where you want it. So that's where I want it, right there. And then you're gonna do the other part here. You're gonna pull the adhesive out as well. All right. And we're gonna get this where we want it. And then we'll pull this back up right here so that you'll be able to put the screws in. And you just want, like I say, you want to push up toward the front, put the pressure up there before you mash down. Do that, and then we're gonna take the screws that was in the package. You're gonna only use 2. That's it. Little Allen wrench right here on the end of these little screws. So make sure you be careful not to drop them, because you lose them. You might lose them. So yeah. Remember, you got adhesive tape up under here. You just want to take your time, no rush. And we're gonna get, I didn't get my Allen wrench with. You're just gonna tighten your Allen wrenches up, your screws up. And that should hold it. And make sure you try to do it evenly, because you don't want no side be, you want to have any gaps in between here. Just simple as that right there. And we're gonna push this back in right here. And we're just gonna mash it so the adhesive tape can stick. Put a little pressure on it and you still got good. That feels really good too. So, and you take the little end cap. You got a little black end cap that's going to go right here. You just take it, put it on there like that, and you're going to take the screw. You got enough screws for everything. That's why you have 6 screws, because of this here. And we're going to get it on here. I think that look a lot better than the bar weights right here. I think it looks a lot better, and it's a lot cleaner look too as well. So yeah, so now I'm gonna get the other one off, and I'm gonna pull it back out in the sun and let you check it out. All right, let me get that one on. Hey y'all, we got them on. I think they look really good. I think they look a whole lot better than the ball end, and they feel a lot better too as well. Very easy, very simple to put on. You can do that by yourself. So I want to give a big shout out to GoldStrike right here. So y'all, the bike is coming together. Got the belly plate, got the grips, we got the floorboards here, the highway pegs, the gloss black, the floorboards right there, all by Ciro3d. My wife will be definitely comfortable right here with those floorboards right there. So yeah, man, I think it looked really good, and actually, man, it looked a whole lot better to me from the front of the bike. You don't have those little deals just sticking off. And I think it just flows with all the gloss black and the carbon fiber that's on the bike, y'all. So it looked really good. So y'all, I appreciate y'all watching the channel, checking me out. Y'all, we got more to go. We got trips coming up. Y'all stay tuned to the Twisted in Texas ride. Hey, big things going on with that. So y'all, I hope y'all show up. If you know, if you can make it, it's gonna be an awesome time there too. And we got other stuff going on as well. But y'all, tell me what you think about my 2024 DCT Gold Wing, the Hook. Y'all, yeah. Oh yeah, and we got the seat on here for my wife. Check that out. I just lay it down, y'all. And that's by Saddlemen seats right there as well. So y'all, big shout out to Saddlemen. But the main purpose we're here is for GoldStrike Ciro3d. Y'all, we're gonna end the video right here. Y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day, man. Until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe on these streets, man, because it's dangerous out here. I'm out. Peace.
Kelly D's rolling, hear that engine cry. Riding like the stars are falling from the sky. Hard on the road, soul in the ride. Forever bold on that Kelly B glide. He rides with fire, he rides with pride. Wind in his hair.